Hey guys, Ross here from Lifestyle Property People. So I'm currently stood in a property that we've just completed on. This one is a 2-bed mid-terrace and it's spread over 3 floors, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the property. I'll just spin the camera around now to give you a full view of this room. So the vendors left a lot of their belongings here, but this is the second bedroom. As you can see, it's got a double bed in with plenty of space. There's wardrobes and desks lying around, so there's loads of room in this bedroom. The carpet's in great condition, a few minor works to the walls, a bit of patching and painting, but nothing major. We're going to add a blind, smoke detector, handrails to take us downstairs, and that's about it up here. So we'll go downstairs. So we'll go into the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, another double bedroom with a built-in wardrobe. As you can see, it's another good sized room in pretty good condition, which will minimise the refurb. Again, in here it's just a matter of touching up the walls, painting them, making it look nice and fresh. The carpet's in okay condition, or up to a good standard. With regards to the boiler, I don't think it needs changing. If there is money in the budget, then we may look to change that, but we'll have to run some numbers first. So the bathroom isn't in the best of conditions, as you can see on the wall. Need a bit of minor works there, nothing major there, but it's more so the tiling what we're going to focus on. As you can see here, it's in really bad condition, just very old and stained. I don't think we'd get away with regrouting, and as you can see, there's a bit of mixture of tiles. So I think what we're going to do is replace all the tiles around the shower, follow the line around the bathroom to that level rather than doing the whole room, replace the bath where it's damaged. We may end up going for a full new suite, but will depend on the numbers. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Let's head downstairs. Again, we're going to be fitting handrails to the stairs for the tenant's safety. Again, there's more furniture in here. The marks on the wall are just the shadows from the light. But it's a good sized room. As you can see, there's already 2 sofas in here, which just shows the size of the room. But the floor's in pretty good condition. The walls are mostly in good condition. There's a little bit of work that we need to do down there, probably just a bit of sanding and painting. That wall backs onto the kitchen, so it's not going to be anything major what's causing that. It's a bit of work down here to do. I've had a look outside and the walls look okay. I'm going to get them checked by our build team, but yeah, nothing major. So I'll now show you into the kitchen. As you can see, the floor isn't in very good condition. The worktops are okay. They're the 2 are lettable standard. Just need to get rid of the washing machine and re-support that worktop there. Bit of tidying up and sealing around the worktops. I'm going to seal around the windows. Bit of sanding here and there in here. And paint the room. And then it should be in a state ready to let out. So again, reasonable sized property throughout, pretty standard as to what we buy. There's not too much work needs to be doing or needs to be done, shall I say. The refurb time should be probably 2 weeks on this one, then we can get it out to the agent and get it to market, and hopefully within 6 weeks the landlord should have a tenant in and getting a return on his investment. So yeah, great property, good investment, and I can't see there being any issues getting tenants in this area, so happy days. So that's all. See you all soon.